Welcome, today in front of me Blackview A90, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on that device. So let's just first open the Google application, and after that tap on the right upper corner, then click here to the settings and tap to the voice section, then here click to the voice match. And now, just to activate Hey Google feature, you should click here only once on the switcher, then just tap here to next, read the description, click yes I agree, tap to continue here, and that's it. Now we can see that the Hey Google feature successfully activated. Also, we should add here the voice model, so just click here to retain voice model and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And then just tap here to finish, and now one will say Hey Google or Okay Google. We can see that this feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.